The sun, a giant ball of burning gas, it dominates our sky. But what is it really? The sun is a star, just like the ones we see at night. It's much closer though. That's why it seems so big and bright. The sun is the center of our solar system. All the planets orbit around it. It's been around for billions of years, and it'll be around for billions more. We take the sun for granted. It's always there. But it's a powerful force of nature. It gives us light, warmth, and energy. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. So, the next time you see the sun, take a moment to appreciate it. It's more than just a bright light in the sky. It's the reason we're here. It's the star of our show. For centuries, humans have looked to the sky. We've wondered about the sun. What is it? How did it get there? Ancient cultures created myths and legends to explain it. In Greek mythology, Helios was the sun god. He drove his chariot across the sky each day. This brought light to the world. The Egyptians worshipped Ra, the sun god. They believed he sailed across the sky in a boat. The Aztecs had a sun god named Tonatiuh. He needed sacrifices to stay strong. They believed he battled the forces of darkness each night. These are just a few examples. Many cultures have their own unique sun myths. These stories show how important the sun was. It was a source of wonder and mystery. It was something to be worshipped and feared. We can't live without the sun. It's as simple as that. The sun is essential for all life on Earth. It provides us with light and warmth. These are crucial for plants to grow, and plants are the base of the food chain. The sun also powers the water cycle. It evaporates water from oceans and lakes. This water vapor forms clouds. Eventually, it falls back to Earth as rain. This rain is essential for all living things. The sun's energy is also used to create electricity through solar panels. This is a clean and renewable source of energy. It's becoming increasingly important as we try to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Without the sun, Earth would be a cold, dark, and lifeless place. It's the ultimate source of energy for our planet. It makes life as we know it possible. Section 4. Stellar Evolution, the Sun's Life Cycle. Like everything else in the universe, the sun has a life cycle. It wasn't always shining, and it won't shine forever. The sun is about halfway through its life. It's about 4.6 billion years old. It's expected to live for another 5 billion years. The sun is currently in its main sequence phase. It's fusing hydrogen into helium in its core. This process releases enormous amounts of energy. It's what makes the sun shine. Eventually, the sun will run out of hydrogen in its core. It will start to fuse helium. This will cause the sun to expand and cool. It will become a red giant star. When this happens, the sun will engulf the inner planets, including Earth. Don't worry though, this won't happen for billions of years. Section 5. The Sun's Demise. A glimpse into the future. After its red giant phase, the sun's outer layers will drift away. They'll form a beautiful planetary nebula. The nebula will be a glowing cloud of gas and dust. The sun's core will remain. It'll be a small, dense object called a white dwarf. A white dwarf is the leftover core of a star like our sun. It has no more fuel to burn. The white dwarf will slowly cool over billions of years. Eventually, it'll fade away. It'll become a black dwarf. A black dwarf is a dead star. It emits no light or heat. This is the ultimate fate of our sun. It may seem sad, but it's a natural part of the life cycle of stars. Section 6. Conclusion, our star, our legacy. The sun is more than just a star, it's the reason we're here. It's a source of wonder, inspiration, and life. Its story is a reminder of the vastness and power of the universe. We've learned so much about the sun. We know how it works. We know how it will die. But there's still so much we don't know. What secrets does it still hold? What else can we learn from it? As we continue to explore the universe, we'll keep learning about the sun. It'll continue to fascinate us. It'll continue to remind us of our place in the cosmos. The sun's story is our story. It's the story of life itself. It's a story that will continue to unfold for billions of years to come.